Hey y'all. So in my Salvation Army haul video, I talked about how the students always ring the bell for the Salvation Army during like Christmas. It's that time, and so today is like super rainy and dreary. I decided to make hot chocolate for all the bell ringers. So let's go ahead and make the first delivery. So I'm headed out for hot chocolate trip number 2. Brooke is actually ringing bells right now, so I'm going to go up there and act like I didn't make her a hot chocolate. She's probably gonna like freak out and start throwing a fit. I was trying to get a reaction from you and you weren't even out here.
I knew you were.
You're so ridiculous. I even had the hot chocolate hidden from you.
Give me the hot chocolate, woman.
No. Oh my. I feel threatened.
You should. Give me that hot chocolate. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Thank you. Thank you very much.
So I'm about to do the final hot chocolate delivery. Why does it feel like I've been making and delivering hot chocolate all day? Because I have been. Oh my goodness. 5 trips, 4 gallons of milk, and hopefully a lot of happy bell ringers later. But after I deliver the hot chocolate, I'm going to be finishing up my Christmas shopping. I still have to buy something for Brooke and Hannah and Kay and my dad and Hannah's guy friend Tommy. I'm going to get him a little something because if they get married, he's going to technically be a brother-in-law, so I have to treat him nice. But I hope I find some good stuff tonight.
It doesn't ring.
There we go.
Our bell is malfunctioning, so it doesn't ring very loud. He was an employee.
Yeah. There's another one there too.
Okay. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. For Christmas, Brooke gave me an unwind essential oil, eucalyptus, and spearmint. And then she got me a wallet from Maurice's. It's like a leather, a false leather texture. It's really nice. And she also got me a 52-week devotional with coloring pages. And this is the box that Kate got me, and it has some really cool stuff in it, so let me show you. A sequins keychain heart, a pen, keychain, and notepad set. This one says make it happen, like a boss, and small notes, big ideas. And then this is just another sequins bin. She got me a larger one for my birthday and I use it all the time, so it'll be cute to have a smaller one.
Hi, welcome to another episode of I don't even know what I'm talking about. And there's Rachel, and there is Tang Mama, and Hannah just came back. And now they're looking cute. Hey, the lighting wasn't that bad standing from here. That's nice. And she's being a very good friend, cooking her chocolate for her best friend.
Aww. That smells really nice.
Do you like the smell?
I do.
You're welcome.
So I got Tommy a little gift. I thought he would like the pink tissue paper. Hannah told me to get you something tactical, and I had to ask what a tactical was. So I just got you something practical.
That's totally fine with me. Thank you, situation.
You're welcome. And you have to spend it on yourself, not someone else.
Are you kidding?
I am serious.
And rest.
She needs it.
There's supposed to be a joke with that.
No, you just need rest.
I got a new helper over here stirring my hot chocolate. If he wants hot chocolate, he's gonna have to work for it.
Since he's a Mexican, does that make the hot chocolate Mexican hot chocolate?
Yeah, sure does.
Ah, these are so cute in gold and pink. Aw. Life is what you bake it.
That's awesome.
That is so neat. Neato. A pink message board. Thank you so much. It's perfect.
I know. I bought these masks for Hannah for her birthday, and we're just now getting a chance to use them. Mine is age-defying metallic wash-off mask. I guess I get this one because I'm older.
Mine is glowing metallic wash-off mask. And just a fun thing for us to do before she has to leave tomorrow, because I just got back yesterday from being gone 3 weeks on the road doing a play cast. But we just thought we would do something fun together before she leaves tomorrow.
Yep. It'll be okay. I'll be back. You want to put it on my face for me?
I think it's gonna be funnier watching you.
Oh, dear.
Okay, we're gonna try this again. I'm gonna try to apply it for her.
Oh dear.
Metallic. I'm good at that.
I look like a clown with my blush.
Rouge.
My rouge. It's a good place to start.
Oh my goodness.
It'll be really cold. This is odd. Okay. Let me fix the gloop. I got carried away. Okay. I feel like I'm a preschooler that got into the paint.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!